He knows that the charges are bailable offense. Then why is he opposing the bail application? Without no grounds, without no facts. That's my annoyance. And this thing is leading into anarchy. If this kind of thing continues to happen in this society, yes, the integrity of the judiciary is questionable. There is no need detaining these people at the pleasure of one man who claims to be governor of Imo State. What me? He claims to be governor of Imo State. The said court he is giving instruction on what to do is the same court that put him in power. He's supposed to respect the sanctity of the judiciary and allow people their freedom. A member of the house should not be detained and humiliated at the pleasure of a governor. It's never been done anywhere. It's never been done anywhere. Quote me, I say. It's never been done anywhere. This is a slap to the judiciary. This is a slap to Ohaji Ebema constituency. Holding their representatives since Friday last week. I was at the police station as early as 8 o'clock today, soliciting for their bail. The man in charge of State CID Owerri said that the governor said that they should not release them on bail. On what ground? Now by 1 o'clock they call us that the matter is coming to court. And we are here. Make an appeal for the magistrate to release them on bail. And the magistrate said we should address the court on that. By which the prosecution counsel is opposing the bail application. My dear, I don't know where we are heading to from here. Until justice is being done in this country without minding whosoever that is being affected, this country will not remain where it is. Justice is for the complainant, justice for the accused, and justice is for the society. Without these three arms of justice, there will be no justice. And Justice Oputa late said, in the cause of justice, heaven will never fall. In this case, heaven will never fall. Tell whosoever that wants to listen that this is the worst scenario case I've ever seen since my 9 years of practice as a lawyer. The magistrate agreed that the charges are bailable. Then why reminding them? Why assault and occasional harm? When there is no proof, no complainant, no physical complainant. All the people mentioned their names in the charge, none of them appeared in this court. None.
Your name once again.
My name is Barrister Callistus A. Eno Sondo. Of C. Eno Sondo and Associates at Bedike Chambers.
Thank you.
What? Amande Bogo. Excuse me, that's not the court is calling me.